Hey, this is Sandy, and I have a new Simply Earth DIY recipe box. This one is the DIY lip gloss kit. I'm really excited to make this and share it with you. It will be available on July 2nd. So I have already gotten all of my colors parceled out. Everything you need comes in this kit. So I have the mica powders, and the recipe card has the breakdown of colors. So I've already done that in the little bowls that they gave me. You can see little bowls that they gave me. I also, you get 5 lip glosses. I happen to get 6 containers in mine. So I pulled out my Pearl Mica powder and I'm going to make a 6th lip gloss I'm calling Diamond Kiss. So I have already put my almond oil and castor oil and beeswax in here. I need to melt it down and then I will get back with you and let's do this. All right, I'm back. So I have all of my oils and beeswax taken care of, an equal amount into the 5 cups. Oh, that's gonna be interesting. They said it's about 2 tablespoons each, teaspoons. So I'm gonna do that. Give me a second. All right, I've added the oil, I've added the essential oils. I need to mix these all up. So give me a second. Okay, I'm gonna work fast because my house is very cold and it's making it very difficult to get this stuff all poured in. There we go. So this one is called Vintage Rose and it has rose red mica powder. I'm gonna put in the little, what do they call it? Wiper cap. So just pop that in, pop on the cap, and there it is. So here's what I would suggest. Don't do this when it's cold in your house. I did get the other one. Oh, I did get the other one done, but it's in my pocket to warm it up a little. So this is with the Pearl Mica powder. And this is the one with the Rose Mica powder. So, and let's do the swipe test. So this one has a very light red to it. Let me swipe this one as well so you can see. I actually have it on my lips. They're both great over other lipsticks or alone. I'm not sure. You can just sort of see how wet it is. But I have the Pearl one on right now, and that would be a nice, like, just sparkle over a regular lipstick or just to wear plain. I put peppermint in it. Peppermint's great. It kind of, like, wakes up your lips and gives them that plumpy feeling. I'm going to get the rest of these done. I'm going to have to do them individually again because my house is so cold right now that everything is solidifying very quickly. But I'll show you what it looks like when I'm done. All right, I'm back. And we're all done. Hold on. Here we go. All of them. So the last one here is got no mica powder in it at all. Each of the middle 4 recipes come with the kit, although they do suggest the one on the end as well with no color. And then I happen to have, like I said, the Pearl pigment powder to give it just a little shine. So let's see. There you go. You can sort of see it's just really pearlescent. This one is called Vintage Rose, and it's little, got like a red tone. That's rose mica powder. Wild Orchid has fuchsia mica powder. The Sunset Shimmer has rose red mica powder in the lemon gold or the yellow gold, so it's got kind of like an orangey tint. And finally, the Pink Prosecco has fuchsia mica powder and yellow gold, and so that's got a more of a like a peachy look. And then finally, the last one, and there is actually no color in this one at all, so it's just the beeswax and the almond and castor oils in it. So that's it. That is the DIY lip gloss kit, the cool new lip gloss containers from Simply Earth. I will leave you a 10% off coupon code and the link to the kit below. If you have questions, please, as always, leave them below. I'll be happy to answer you, and have a fabulous day.